Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to manage projects in Wrike step by step. If you already know the basics but want to organize real projects properly, yeah, this guide is for you. Alright, first, open an existing project from the left sidebar. Or, if you're starting fresh, click the plus icon and create a new project. Once the project is open, add the project name, description, and owner. So, this helps your team understand what the project is about right away. Now break the project into smaller tasks. Click Add Task, then write clear task names. Smaller tasks are way easier to track and finish. Next, assign each task to a team member and set a due date. This part is important, because it keeps everyone accountable and avoids confusion. As work moves forward, update task status. You can mark tasks as active, in progress, or completed. So, at a glance, you always know what's done and what's not. You can leave comments directly on tasks, tag teammates, and attach files. This keeps all project communication in one place instead of scattered messages. To monitor progress, switch between list view, board view, or timeline view. Timelines are especially useful for seeing deadlines visually. And that's how you manage projects in Wrike from start to finish. Once you're comfortable with this workflow, you can explore automation and reports to save even more time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next guide.